Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another session of Maha Marathon where we are discussing one more important, you can say subject, that is company law. So here also we are going to discuss 40 questions, the next set of 40 questions. So in the previous session number first of Maha Marathon of company law subject, we have discussed set of 40 questions. In today's session also we will be covering 40 most important questions which have a high probability of being asked in the examination. And as you know, only a week left for your SEBI Grade A phase 1 examination. So this is the time guys to give the final shot. यहाँ पे अब आपकी preparation बिल्कुल revision mode पर होनी चाहिए पूरी तरीके से. So that is why we are conducting these sessions. So let's start without wasting time here. First of all, you know कि यहाँ पे हम achievers question discuss करते हैं. And what is the achievers question? That is the previous sessions homework question. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे previous session का homework question हम discuss करते हैं. And also I will be showing the name जिन्होंने यहाँ पर सही आंसर दिया है. Meanwhile, what is your duty? Your duty is to participate in the session. ठीक है. So the question was, after the closing of an offer made through a red herring prospectus, the company must file the final prospectus with which of the following? Only the registrar of companies, only SEBI, both the registrar and SEBI, the stock exchange, only the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Yes, so I want everyone's participation in the session, guys. Right answer is option number C, that is both registrar and SEBI. And those who have given the right answer is Mansi Singh. Mansi Singh, congratulations, you have given the right answer. And also Uday has also given a right answer here. So both of you guys, congratulations, and you belong to be here. Your name belongs to be here. यहाँ पे आपका नाम दिखाना बिल्कुल डिजर्व करते हैं आप, क्योंकि आपने यहाँ पर बिल्कुल सही मार्क किया है. राइट, यस तृप्ति, यू आर आल्सो गिविंग द राइट आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स. Meanwhile, guys, if you want to see your name here, आपको पता है achievers question में आपको participate करना होता है. Now let's start the today's discussion here. Question number first: a form of application for purchasing a company's securities can be issued only if it is accompanied by which of the following? An abridged prospectus, a red herring prospectus, a shelf prospectus, a placement memorandum, or a share certificate. यस गाइस, आप सभी को पार्टिसिपेट करना है. ठीक है जी, यहाँ पे कोई भी एक्सेप्शन नहीं है. दिस सेशन हियर, दिस सेशंस आर कंडक्टेड सो दैट यू कैन लर्न समथिंग. यहाँ पे आप कुछ ना कुछ लर्न कर सके, यहाँ पे आप मिस्टेक्स कर सके, यहाँ पे आप अपनी नॉलेज को एनहांस कर सकें. ठीक है जी, बताइए. यस, तो तृप्ति सेइंग फर्स्ट का ए, मानसी इज आल्सो सेइंग फर्स्ट का ए. ठीक है, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज एन एब्रिज्ड prospectus. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इसका सही आंसर है एब्रिज्ड prospectus. एंड तृप्ति गुप्ता एंड मानसी सिंह बोथ हैव गिवन द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज allotment of securities offered to the public can be made only if options are SEBI grants a compliance certificate, 50% of the issue is subscribed, application money is received by the cash only, shares are listed within 30 days, or the minimum subscription stated in the prospectus has been received and application money has been paid to the company. Yes. Yes, so Tripti has already given the answer. Option number E, she is saying. Yes, what about others, guys? Everyone, you all have to know. You all have to participate here. Let me know what do you think, what can be the correct answer here. So Mansi is also saying option number E. Option number is the right answer. That is the minimum subscription stated in the prospectus has been received and application money has been paid to the company, right? Moving on to question number third, the amount payable on application for every security must be at least, options are 2% of the nominal value, 3% of the nominal value, 5% of the nominal value, 10% of the nominal value, or 20% of the nominal value. Tell me guys, we are talking about the amount payable on application, right? That is application money we are discussing here. So Tripti is saying option number C, 5%. Okay. Guys, what about others? So right answer is option number C, that is 5% of the nominal value. This is the right option. यहाँ पे must be at least, application money must be at least 5% of the nominal value. Question number fourth is, if the minimum subscription is not received within 30 days of issuing the prospectus, the company must, options are forfeit the application money, return all money received from applicants within the prescribed time and manner, extend the issue for another 60 days automatically, transfer the funds to an escrow account for 1 year, or convert the issue into a private placement. Yes, so Mansi and Tripti both have given the right answer for question number C. Sorry, question number third. Now we are discussing question number fourth. So Tripti and Mansi both are saying option number B, right? So option number B is the correct one. That is return all money received from applicants within the prescribed time and manner. Moving on to question number fifth. Question number fifth is preference shares capital carries a preferential right mainly with respect to which of the following? Options are payment of dividend, voting on every resolution, issuing debentures, appointing auditors, or conducting board meeting. Yes, guys. So we are talking about the preference share capital. They are having preferential right over which of the following? So this is the question. So Tripti is saying option number A. Okay. Yes, guys, you all have to let me know. Mansi is saying option number A. So right answer is option number A only, that is payment of dividend, right? Anshika is saying option number A. Yes, preference share capital. The preference shareholders are having preferential rights over the equity shareholders in terms of repayment of the capital and the payment of dividend. So yes, there is an option of payment of dividend. Hence, option number A will be correct. Question number 6 is, in case of winding up, preference shareholders get priority mainly in the repayment of what? Options are debenture interest, employee salaries, equity dividends, paid up share capital, or GST dues. Hanji, read the question carefully. Tripti is saying option number D. Okay. Yes, friends, everyone, tell me what do you think? What can be the correct explanation for question number 6 here? So Mansi and Tripti was saying option number D. Option number D is the right answer. That is paid up share capital, right? Repayment of the capital is also one of the preferential right that the preference shareholders have, right? So yes, Anshika, Tripti and Mansi, you all have given the right answer. Question number 7 is, a company may issue a duplicate share certificate only when which of the following conditions is met? Options are, the shareholders wants an additional copy for personal filing, the shares are transferred to another person, the holder changes residence, the original share certificate has expired, or the original certificate is lost or destroyed. So Tripti is saying option number E. Okay. Mansi is saying option number E. Yes, guys, everyone. So right answer is option number E, that is the original certificate is lost or destroyed. In that case, duplicate share certificate can be issued, right? So Anshika, Tripti, Mansi, you all have given the right answer. Moving on to question number 8, equity shareholders can vote on which of the following? Options are only on special resolutions, every resolution placed before the company, only resolutions affecting equity capital, only when voting by show of hands, or only during annual general meeting and not extraordinary general meeting. Yes, so Tripti is saying option number B. Yes, guys, read the question carefully, then उसके बाद ही आपको आंसर करना है. Do let me know. Anshika is saying option number B. Sandeep is saying option number B. Yes, so right answer is option number B only, that is every resolution placed before the company, because equity shareholders are the real owners of the company, right? So that is why they would be participating, they would be voting on every resolution placed before the company. Moving on to question number 9, preference shareholders get voting rights only on which type of resolutions? Options are all resolutions at AGM, resolutions related to appointment of directors, resolutions that directly affect their rights in certain major decisions, auditor appointment resolutions, or dividend declaration on equity shares. Yes, guys, tell me. We are talking about the voting rights of the preference shareholders. So Tripti is saying option number C. Okay. Vaishnavi is saying option number C. Hanji, guys, tell me. Everyone. Sandeep is saying option number C. Anshika is saying C. Yes, so C is the right answer. You all have given the correct one, guys. That is resolutions that directly affect their rights in certain major decisions. In that case, preference shareholders will also be having the voting rights. Got it. Moving on to question number 10 is, when does a class of preference shareholders get the right to vote on all resolutions of a company? Options are when dividend on their preference shares remain unpaid for 2 years or more, when the company alters its articles, when equity shareholders fail to attend annual general meeting, when the company increases its authorized capital, or when preference shareholders hold more than 10% of total capital. So Mansi and Tripti both have given option number A. Okay. Yes, friends, what about others? Anshika is saying option number A. Tripti, Mansi, Vaishnavi, Anshika, you all have given answer number A. So right answer is option number A only. Sandeep is also saying option number A. Yes. When dividend on their preference shares remains unpaid for 2 years or more, in that case, you know what would happen? That preference shareholders will have the right to vote on all type of resolutions of the company, whereas actually they do not have the voting right in all the resolution. But in the case where a company fails to pay the dividend, you can say for 2 years or more, in that case, for every resolution, preference shareholders will be having the right to vote on. Got it? Question number 11th is, what is the minimum approval required to vary the rights of a particular class of shareholders? Options are consent of holders of at least 3/4 of issued shares of that class, consent of simple majority of that class, board resolution only, approval of equity shareholders alone, or approval of preference shareholders alone. हाँ जी guys, those who are not mentioning the question number, please mention it. Question number is very very important. आपको mention करने हैं question number. Do let me know. Yes, so Tripti, Mansi, Vaishnavi, Indrani, Anshika, you all are saying option number A. Option number is the correct one. That is consent of holders of at least 3/4 of the issued shares of that particular class, or you can say 75% of the you can say shares of that particular class. Got it? Moving on to question number 12 is, if variation of rights of one class of shares adversely affects another class, whose consent is additionally required? Options are the board of directors, only the original class whose rights are varied, only preference shareholders, 3/4 of the other affected class of shareholders, or registrar of companies. Yes, so Tripti is saying option number D. Vaishnavi is saying option number A. Okay. Yes, guys, everyone, do let me know. Vaishnavi is saying option number D. Even if you do not exactly know the answer, you can make a calculative guess based on your reading. Mansi saying option number D. Tripti, Anshika, Vaishnavi, Mansi, you all are saying option number D. Option number D is the right answer. That is 3/4 of the other affected class of shareholders, right? So there, whose rights are getting impacted, obviously बात है, उनका यहाँ पर consent is required, right? So 3/4 of the other affected class of shareholders will be required here. Got it? Question number 13th is, who can apply to the tribunal to cancel a variation of class rights? Options are holders of 5% of the issued shares of that class, holders of at least 10% of the issued shares of that class, any single shareholder, only the board of directors, only preference shareholders. Yes, Tripti is saying option number B. Mansi is also saying option number B. Yes, guys, Vaishnavi is saying option number B. So right answer is option number B only, that is holders of at least 10% of the issued shares of that class. Guys, these kind of provisions are asked, right? तो ऐसे ही provisions को क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में फ्रेम करके आपसे पूछ लिया जाता है. ठीक है जी. Moving on to question number 14th. Within how many days must the company file the tribunal's order with the registrar? Options are 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 45 days, or 30 days. So Tripti is saying 14th E. Mansi is saying 14th C. Okay. Anshika is saying option number E. Right answer is option number E, that is 30 days, right? So 30 days is the correct one. Got it? So the act mandates that company must file the tribunal's final order with the registrar within 30 days. Question number 15th is, when a company makes calls on shares of the same class, how must these calls be made? Options are based on shareholder seniority, based on number of years the shares were held, on a uniform basis for all shares of that particular class, only for partly paid shares, or according to shareholders' discretion. So Tripti is saying option number C, that is on a uniform basis for all shares of that class. Yes, guys, everyone. Mansi is saying C. Anshika is saying option number C. Yes, guys. Anyone else? So right answer is option number C only, that is on a uniform basis for all shares of that particular class. So whenever company would making the calls on shares, so obviously बात है वो जो है वो uniform basis पर होगा. There is no seniority involved. ठीक है? Right. Moving on to question number 16th is under section 50, when a member voluntarily pays unpaid share capital before it is called up, what is his voting right on that particular amount? मतलब यहाँ पर जो amount है वो called नहीं किया गया है. यहाँ पे advance में if anyone wants to pay that particular amount to the company, so in that case, what is his voting rights on that particular amount? So he gets double voting rights. He gets proportional voting rights immediately. Voting rights depend on board approval. He gets no voting rights until the amount is called up, or voting rights are given only for preference shares. Yes, so Tripti and Mansi, option number D. Okay. Harshini is saying option number D. Anshika is saying D. Sandeep is saying D. Okay, so you all are saying option number D. Option number D is the right answer. That is, he gets no voting rights until the amount is called up, right? So even if you want to pay money in advance to the company, you can pay it, right? Company can accept it, but it doesn't mean that you would get double voting right, or you can get the voting rights more than what others are having in that particular same class, right? So he will not get any additional voting rights until the amount is called up. Got it? Moving on to question number 17th. When authorized by its articles, a company may pay dividends based on which of the following? Options are number of years the shareholder held the shares, the amount paid upon each share, market value of the shares, nominal value of shares only, or number of shares applied for. So Tripti is saying option number B. Okay. Mansi is saying option number B. Sandeep is saying option number B. Vaishnavi is saying B. Okay, so you all are saying option number B, right? So option number B is the right answer. That is amount paid up on each share, right? So company will pay the dividend based on the amount paid up capital. ना ठीक है जी, paid up capital के हिसाब से यहाँ पर जो dividend है that will be declared and paid by the company. Question number 8 is when a company issues shares at a premium, the premium amount must be transferred to which of the following account? Options are dividend equalization account, capital redemption reserve, general reserve, debenture redemption account, or securities premium account. So Tripti is saying option number E. Sandeep is saying E. Mansi is saying option number E. Guys, everyone. Anshika is saying option number E. So right answer is option number E only, that is securities premium account, right? So if company is getting any kind of premium in the issuance of the shares, so that premium amount shall be transferred to the securities premium account. Yes, so everyone is giving the right answer. Tripti, Sandeep, Mansi, Anshika, Ashwini, Vaishnavi, Harshini, you all are giving the right answer here. ठीक है जी. चलिए, moving on to question number 19th, that is which of the following is an allowed use of the securities premium account under section 52 subsection 2? Paying dividends to shareholders, writing of bad debts, writing of expenses or commission discount on issue of shares or debentures, paying directors remuneration, or funding routine business operations. So Tripti is saying option number C. Mansi is saying option number E. Option number C. Okay. Harshini, Sandeep, everyone till now has said option number C. Vaishnavi, Anshika, right. So right answer is option number C only, that is writing of expenses or commission discount on issue of shares or debentures, right. Question number 20th is what must a company obtain before issuing sweat equity shares? Options are board resolution, ordinary resolution, special resolution, auditor's approval, or approval from the registrar of companies. So Tripti is saying special resolution. Mansi is also saying the same. Hanji guys. Anshika is saying option number C. Okay, guys, think twice before you are answering. Yes. So what is the right answer? Right answer will be option number C. That is special resolution. So before issuing the sweat equity shares, company needs to have a special resolution in the general meeting. So yes, Vaishnavi is also saying the same. Question number 21st is under section 55 of the Companies Act 2013, a company limited by shares is prohibited from issuing which type of preference shares? Options are redeemable within 10 years, redeemable within 20 years, irredeemable preference shares, convertible preference shares, or cumulative preference shares. Sandeep is saying option number B. Tripti is also saying option number B. Yes, guys, read it carefully. You have to read the question twice, then you have to answer. So, Sandeep and Vaishnavi, you both are saying option number, no, you are, Sandeep is saying option number C, Vaishnavi is saying option number B, Tripti is saying option number C, okay. So right answer is option number C only, that is irredeemable preference shares, right? So company limited by shares is prohibited from issuing the irredeemable preference shares. जो कभी redeem नहीं होंगे, they are known as irredeemable preference shares. Question number 22nd is what is the maximum permissible redemption period for preference shares issued by a company under section 55? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 25 years, or 20 years? Yes, guys, maximum permission redemption period. Vaishnavi, please mention the question number, which question you are referring here. So Sandeep and Tripti both have mentioned option number E. Anshika is saying option number E. Vaishnavi, Mansi, everyone is saying option number E. Right answer is option number E only, that is 20 years. So maximum permissible redemption is 20 years. Got it? Question number 23rd. But यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें ना, यहाँ पर अगर हम आपसे बात करें, you can read here as per section 55 subsection 2, company may issue preference shares redeemable within a period not exceeding 20 years. This ensures that preference shares receive that shareholders receive their capital back within a reasonable time frame. However, relaxation exists for infrastructure projects where the redemption period can exceed 20 years with specified annual redemption percentages. Question number 23rd is preference shares can be issued for period exceeding 20 years only if they are issued for which type of project? Options are infrastructure projects, Yes, guys, I think there was some technical issue, but it gets resolved now. So we are discussing question number 24 here. I'm repeating it again. That is under section 55 subsection 3, unredeemed preference shares can be addressed by issuing further redeemable preference shares only when options are the company passes an ordinary resolution, the company pays partial dividend, the registrar grants approval, 3/4 in value of preference shareholders consent, or the shares are partly paid up. Yes, so Tripti is saying option number D. Yes, guys, do let me know what is the right answer here. So right answer is option number D, that is 3/4 in value of preference shareholders consent, right? So under section 55 subsection 3 allows a company that is unable to redeem its preference shares or pay the dividend due on them to issue an equivalent amount of further redeemable preference shares. However, this action requires the consent of holders of at least 75% in value of such preference shares. Question number 25th is under section 55 subsection 3, the issue of further redeemable preference shares for unredeemed ones become effective only when which of the following options are: the board passes an unanimous resolution, the tribunal approves the company's petition, the shares are converted into equity, the company obtains a credit rating, or the issue is approved by the central government. Yes, guys. Tell me, Tripti saying option number B here. Everyone, guys, you all have to participate. Do let me know. Anshika is saying option number B. Lakshman is saying option number B. Yes, everyone. So right answer is option number B, that is the tribunal approves the company's petition. So issue of further redeemable preference shares for unredeemed ones become effective only when the tribunal approves the company's petition. Got it? You need to refer section 55 subsection 3. So Vaishnavi is also saying option number B. Great. Question number 26 is under section 56 subsection 1, a company shall not register a transfer of securities unless a proper instrument of transfer is delivered within how many days of execution? Options are 60 days, 30 days, 90 days, 120 days, or 45 days. Yes, so Tripti is saying A, Vaishnavi, Lakshman, Harshini, everyone is saying option number A. So right answer is option number A, that is within 60 days of execution, the company must get the proper instrument of transfer. ठीक है जी, कंपनी के पास एग्जीक्यूशन से 60 डेज के अंदर वो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ ट्रांसफर है दैट मस्ट बी डिलीवर्ड टू द कंपनी. अगर आ गया then in that case company shall register the transfer of securities. Question number 27th is for registering the transfer of securities, if no share certificate exists, which document must be submitted along with the transfer instrument? Options are PAN card copy, identity proof of both parties, proof of payment, board resolution, or letter of allotment. Tripti saying option number E. Okay. Mansi saying option number E. Lakshman, Anshika, Vaishnavi, everyone is saying option number E. Option number E is the right answer, that is letter of allotment must be submitted along with the transfer of transfer instrument. Question number 28 is under section 56 subsection 3, when an application for transfer is made only by the transferor and it relates to partly paid shares, the transfer can be registered only if options are: the transferor again confirms the application, the board passes a special resolution, the transferee raises no objection within 2 weeks of receiving notice, the shares are fully paid up, and the registrar approves the transfer. So Tripti, Mansi, you both have given option number C. Lakshman is saying option number C. Anshika, till now everyone has given up option number C. So right answer is option number C only, that is the transferee raises no objection within 2 weeks of receiving the notice. Got it? Yes. Question number 29, for transfer or transmission of securities, within what time must a company deliver the certificates? Options are 2 weeks from receipt of transfer, 3 months from receipt of transfer, 1 month from the receipt of instrument of transfer, any intimation of transmission, 15 days from receipt of transfer, or 2 months from date of transfer. Yes, basically Vaishnavi, you can see the share certificates are physical share certificates are not delivered now, right? So basically everyone must have a demat account, right? So these are applicable for the share certificates, you can say the physical share certificates. Got it, Vaishnavi? Yes. So everyone is saying option number C. Tripti, Harshini, Mansi, Vaishnavi, Lakshman, Anshika, you all have said option number C. Yes, option number C is the correct one. That is 1 month from receipt of instrument of transfer or intimation of the transmission. Company must, you can say, deliver the certificates. Got it? Question number 30th is subscribers to the memorandum must receive their share certificates within what time from incorporation? Options are 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, 15 days or 6 months. Yes, guys, tell me. Subscribers to the memorandum must receive their share certificates within what time from incorporation? So Tripti is saying option number A. Vaishnavi, Lakshman, Mansi, Anshika. Yes, you all guys have said that option number A is the correct one. Harshini, so right answer is option number A, that is within 2 months. ठीक है, incorporation के 2 months के अंदर subscribers to the memorandum must receive the share certificates. Question number 31 is certificates for debentures allotted by a company must be delivered within how much time? Option is 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, 15 days or 6 months. Now read the case question carefully. We are talking about the certificates for the debentures. So Tripti is saying option number E, 6 months. Okay. Vaishnavi is saying option number A. Yes, please tell me guys, everyone. Anshika is saying option number C. Okay, so we have option number A, option number E, option number C. Yes, guys, only B and D are left here. उनको भी ऐड कर लीजिए. So we will be having all the options here. So right answer is option number E, that is 6 months. So debentures के केस में यहाँ पे certificate is required to be delivered within 6 months. ठीक है जी. Question number 32. Within how many days must a private company send a notice of refusal if it declines to register a transfer or transmission of securities? Options are 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 30 days or 60 days. Yes, guys, question number 32. Tripti is saying D. Mansi is also saying option number D. Vaishnavi is saying option number D. Yes. So right answer is option number D only, that is 30 days, right? So in case of private company, if private company wants to refuse to register a transfer or transmission of securities, the notice of the same must be given within 30 days to the transferor and the transferee, right? So yes, Tripti, Mansi, Vaishnavi, Lakshman, you all have given the right answer here. Question number 33rd is within how many days can the transferee appeal to the tribunal if a public company refuses to register a transfer of securities without sufficient cause? 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 75 days or 120 days? Now we are talking about the timeline for appealing to the tribunal if public company refuses to register a transfer of securities without sufficient cause. Tripti is saying C. Mansi has said option number C. Okay. Lakshman is saying option number C. So Tripti, Mansi, Lakshman, you are saying option number C, guys. Yes, option number C is the right answer. That is 60 days. Got it? Question number 34th is if a public company gives no intimation of refusal, the transferee may appeal to the tribunal within how many days of delivering the transfer instrument? Options are 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days or 120 days. Tripti saying option number D. Hanji, Tripti, Mansi, option number D. Anshika, Lakshman. Okay, so everyone has said option number D. Option number D is the right answer. That is 90 days. Got it. So if the public company does not communicate any refusal during 30-day window, section 58 subsection 4 allows the transferee to appeal within 90 days from the date of delivering the instrument of transfer. ठीक है जी, यहाँ पे उनके पास राइट रहेगा दैट दे कैन मेक द अपील है. ठीक है जी. Question number 34 is rectification of the register of members can be sought when a person's name is entered or omitted without sufficient cause. Who may appeal for such rectification? Options are the aggrieved person, any member or the company, only the aggrieved person, only members holding more than 10% voting power, only the registrar, only the board of directors. Tripti is saying option number A. Lakshman is saying option number A. Vaishnavi is saying A. Okay. So Lakshman, Mansi, Anshika, Vaishnavi, you all have said option number A. Option number A is the correct one. That is the aggrieved person, any member or the company. Got it? Question number 36 is under section 63 of a company may issue fully paid bonus shares from which of the following sources? Options are free reserves, securities premium account or capital redemption reserve, revaluation reserves only, capital reserve created from asset sale, share forfeiture account or calls in advance. Shivananda, please mention the question number like others are doing. Okay, so Tripti is saying A, Mansi is saying option number A, Anshika is also saying option number A, Lakshman is also saying option number A. So you all have mentioned option number A. Shivananda is saying option number A. Please mention the question number. So right answer is option number A, that is free reserve, securities premium account or capital redemption reserve. Vaishnavi is also saying option number A. Question number 37 is under section 63 subsection 1, bonus shares cannot be issued by capitalizing which of the following reserves? Options are free reserves, capital redemption reserve, revaluation reserve, securities premium account or all of the above. Prakriti is saying option number A. Okay, Prakriti, you are mentioning question number 36, right? Now we are discussing question number 37. Okay, so Tripti is saying option number C. Tripti, Mansi. Hanji, guys, what about others? Only Tripti and Mansi have mentioned the answer here. What about others? So right answer is option number C, that is revaluation reserve, right? So bonus shares cannot be issued by capitalizing the revaluation reserve. Got it? Yes. So Anshika, Prakriti, Mansi, Tripti, you all have given the right answer here. Question number 38. A company cannot issue fully paid bonus shares unless it has not defaulted in which of the following areas? Options are filing annual return, CSR expenditure, payment of interest or principal of fixed deposit debt securities, renewal of share certificates or appointment of auditor. Yes, tell me. Yes, so 38 में Tripti is saying C, Mansi, Lakshman, Shivananda, you all have said option number C here. What about others? Anshika, so everyone is saying option number C. Option number C is the correct one, that is payment of interest or principal of fixed deposits debt security. So if company commits default in this case, then company cannot issue the fully paid bonus shares. ठीक है, चलिए मूविंग अहेड, आगे बढ़ते हैं. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. अंडर सेक्शन 64 सबसेक्शन 1, a notice to the registrar must be filed within 30 days when authorized capital increase is due to sorry, options are issue of certain equity shares, an order of the government under section 62 subsection 4 read with section 62 subsection 6, issue of unsecured debentures, conversion of loans into equity by banks, or appointment of a new director. Guys, those who are not mentioning the question number, I will not take their answer into consideration. So you need to mention the question number like everyone is doing. Yes, so 39th का यहाँ पे तृप्ति सिंह ऑप्शन नंबर बी, वैष्णवी इज ऑल्सो सिंग ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लक्ष्मण इज सिंग ऑप्शन नंबर बी, प्रकृति. So right answer is option number B only. That is an order of the government under section 62 subsection 4 read with section 62 subsection C. Question number 40th is filing a notice with the registrar within 30 days is mandatory when a company issues secured non-convertible debentures, declares a dividend, creates a charge on assets, makes a rights issue or redeems redeemable preference shares. So Tripti is saying option number E. Vaishnavi is saying option number E. Lakshman. Shivnanda. Then Prakriti. Everyone has said option number E. Option number is the right answer. That is redeems redeemable preference shares. Right. So guys, these are the 40 questions that I wanted to discuss with you. And here is the achievers question. If you want to see your name in the next session, सो आपको यहाँ पर अचीवर्स क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना होगा, नॉट इन द लाइव चैट बॉक्स, आपको यहाँ पे कमेंट बॉक्स में करना होगा. ठीक है, सो आई एम रिपीटिंग इट, नॉट इन द लाइव चैट बॉक्स, रादर इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. क्वेश्चन इज बोनस शेयर्स कैन बी इशूड ओनली इफ द कंपनी हैज नॉट डिफॉल्टेड इन पेमेंट ऑफ विच स्टैट्यूटरी ड्यूज ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज, टीडीएस, जीएसटी, प्रोफेशनल टैक्स, पीएफ ग्रेच्युटी एंड बोनस और कस्टम्स ड्यूटी. तो जो भी यहां पर सही आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में करेगा, लाइक इन दिस सेशन आई हैव शोन द नेम ऑफ 2 एस्पिरेंट्स जिन्होंने सही मार्क किया था. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन आई विल बी शोइंग द नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हु वुड बी अटेम्प्टिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन correctly. And one important announcement guys, if you are aspiring to become RBI Grade B officer in 2026, if you are preparing for 2026 examination and you are lost, you are not able to understand guys, here we are coming up with the officers batch. The formal launch is on 6th January 2026 at 6 p.m. तो यहाँ पर we will be providing you the guidance कि how you can clear this particular examination, that is RBI Grade B. किस तरीके से आपकी अप्रोच रहनी चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो हेयर ऑफिसर्स बैच वी आर अबाउट टू लॉन्च हेयर. यहाँ पे अर्ली बर्ड इनरोलमेंट भी स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं गाइस. तो यहाँ पे अगर आपको अभी आप एनरोल करते हैं, यू विल गेट द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट इफ यू अप्लाई द कोड प्रकाश. तो यहाँ पे आपको मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिल जाएगा. कैसे एनरोल करना है, लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू ऑल्सो कि अभी कैसे करना, मैं आपको शो करता हूँ वेबसाइट के थ्रू भी. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर एस्पायरिंग, if you are preparing for other examinations also like SEBI, NABARD, PFRD, RBI, CDB, IFSCA, इरडाई एक्सेट्रा, तो यहाँ पे आप अलग अलग कोर्सेज ना लेकर हमारे सुपर पैक को अवेल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इस सुपर पैक के थ्रू यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल द एग्जामिनेशन साइमल्टेनियसली. इसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. नाउ इसको आप कैसे एनरोल कर सकते हैं गाइस, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू हियर. 2 ऑप्शन है, एक तो लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, वहां पे जा सकते हैं, या सेपरेटली आप यहाँ पे हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाकर विजिट कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन सी हियर, गूगल में सिंपली टेस्ट बुक टाइप करिए, वहां पे फर्स्ट नंबर का लिंक इज आवर वेबसाइट, वहां पर जाइए, क्लिक ऑन सुपर कोचिंग एट द टॉप, देन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में यू कैन सी मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स. यू हैव टू फाइंड रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम्स हियर इट इज. एंड देन यहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग कोर्सेज दिख रहे हैं लाइक आरबीआई, रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम, सुपर पैक. सपोज आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ आरबीआई की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तब तो आप आरबीआई कोर्स के लिए जाइए. बट इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अदर एग्जाम्स ऑल्सो, आरबीआई, सेबी, नबार्ड, पीएफआरडी, सिडबी, उसके लिए आप सुपर पैक के लिए जाइए. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप यहाँ पे सुपर पैक की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मतलब सुपर पैक के थ्रू अदर एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन भी कर रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन सुपर पैक, स्क्रॉल डाउन करिए, यू विल गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिल जाएगी. कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स कवर कर रहे हैं, कौन कौन सी फैकल्टीज होंगी, राइट. डेमो क्लासेस यू विल सी, आपको यहाँ पे ई बुक्स भी दिख रही हैं, आपको यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस भी दिख रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल, एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ यू फील दैट यस दिस कोर्स इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी, देन वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग डिफरेंट वैलिडिटी ऑप्शन, 24 मंथ्स, 12 मंथ्स, 6 मंथ्स. सपोज आप 12 मंथ्स के लिए यहाँ पर इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो आपको क्या करना है, ये अमाउंट आपको पे नहीं करना है, रादर आपको यहाँ पे सिंपली जाना है अप्लाई कूपन में, क्लिक हियर, जो भी कोड यहाँ पे अप्लाइड है रिमूव इट, आफ्टर दैट अप्लाई द कोड प्रकाश. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोड अप्लाई करिए प्रकाश, और उस कोड को अप्लाई करने के बाद यू कैन सी द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट. उसके बाद यू विल बी हैविंग द ईएमआई फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो, या फुल पेमेंट भी आप यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू एनरोल फॉर द course guys, and do not forget to join us on 6th of January at 6 p.m. where we are launching the restart batch. ठीक है जी. And also guys, I told you do not forget this code so that you can get maximum discount. एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करिए मेरा, जिसके थ्रू आपको मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा। साथ ही साथ आप मुझसे टच में भी रहेंगे, जो भी इश्यूज जो भी क्वेरीज है वो भी आप वहां पर रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं। शिवनंदन सिंह, IRDI एंड एनपीएस का कब आएगा सर? देखिए इरडाई और एनपीएस का एक्सपेक्टेड है बहुत जल्दी। द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद द रेगुलेटरी बॉडी एग्जाम इसकी यहां पर दे डू नॉट रिलीज एनी कैलेंडर, ठीक है। अब क्योंकि अगर उनके कैलेंडर नहीं होते हैं तो उसको गेस कर पाना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट, बट दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड सून हियर। आई वुड से डू नॉट वेट फॉर द नोटिफिकेशन, रादर यू शुड स्टार्ट इट, क्योंकि इससे पहले जो एग्जाम्स हमने बोले हैं लाइक आरबीआई, सेबी, नबार्ड, पीएफआरडीए, सिडबी, आईएफएससी, सारे एग्जाम्स का नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है। सो यस, ट्रस्ट मी, यहां पे नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। अब कब आएगा वो एग्जैक्टली तो हम नहीं बता सकते। इससे रिलेटेड मैंने वीडियो बताया था, वीडियो मैंने बनाया, आप जाकर चेक करिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल। वहां पे मैंने आपको बताया कि एक्सपेक्टेड कौन से मंथ का है, दोनों का सेपरेटली, एनपीएस का भी और इरडाई का मैंने सेपरेट वीडियो बनाए हैं, आप हमारे वीडियो सेक्शन में जाकर देख सकते हैं। देयर आई हैव मेंशन की प्रोबेबिलिटी किस मंथ में आने की है और फेज 1 कब हो सकता है। सो आई हैव मेंशन एवरीथिंग देयर इटसेल्फ, ठीक है। So guys, thank you very much for watching and listening me. This is all with respect to this session, and do not forget to attempt the achievers question if you want to see your name in the next session. उसके लिए आपको comment box में attempt करना पड़ेगा. So bye bye, take care, and we'll meet in the next session guys.